Hi everybody. Today I have the box from Fashionsta for April 2021. Also, at the end of this video, I'll show you the winner of the giveaway from my last video. Okay. Oh, also, my daughter gave me a haircut. What do you think? I think it's cute. I decided to step out of the box a little bit. Okay, so this month's theme is Bloom, Out of the Ordinary. I have no idea what's in here because this time I saw no spoilers, no videos, no anything. The first thing I see is from the Green Co. It says the reusable cotton rounds. Oh, okay, reusable. That's always good. That's what it looks like inside of the box. This bag, oh, okay, this is like a laundry bag so you can wash them. Yeah. Excuse my nails. I'm in between nail treatments right now. I just took the other ones off and I haven't put the new ones on yet. But these are the cloths. And according to the card, these retail for $13.95, and it says, be a conscious consumer and reduce your daily waste by swapping your makeup remover wipes for these green, eco-friendly, washable, reusable pads. 100% natural, vegan. All right. It doesn't say how many are in here, but looks to be quite a few. All right. And then we have something from Julep. And it says, Julep Beauty When Pencil Met Gel Eyeliner, $12. The perfect mix of pencil meets gel and a fun pop of color to add some blooming style to your spring and summer looks. This is also vegan and cruelty-free. Let's see what this pop of color is. Oh, it's blue, green. Oh, that's pretty. It's very soft. Okay, I like that. And next up is Ready Jet Set. It says Beauty Baton. Let's see what this is. Says Ready Set Jet Official Beauty Baton retails for $32. Oh, and the Julep pencil retails for $12. It says one stick, multiple benefits. This on-the-go multitasking stick has no rules with interchangeable ends for a customizable experience. Vegan and cruelty-free. And this says Beauty with a Purpose. And right there it says Skin. And when you look at the end of it, it says, live in your skin, love in our world. There it is. I'm still not sure what this is though. So let's see. Face balm. And this side says skin/face scrub. Oh, so it's skincare. Okay. So you have a balm on one side. This is the balm. It doesn't have a scent. Okay, that's all of it there. Feels thick like a balm. And then on the other side, this is a scrub. It doesn't feel like a scrub. It feels like another balm. Interesting. I like trying out new things that I've never seen before. I've never seen anything like this before. Okay. And then the next thing I see is from Cleo Noir. This is an eyeshadow palette, 4-shade eyeshadow palette. It says pigmented, blendable, full spectrum, creamy, rich formula that stays put without the mess of excess fallout. Okay. I always love more eyeshadow. See what it looks like. It's totally covered in plastic. Okay, there we go. Okay. That's this thing here. This is the palette. It's nice, a nice neutral palette. I do like these colors. They look nice and rich. Let's see. I'll swatch them since there's only 4 anyway. First one, second one, third one. These last 2 are mattes. These are shimmers. These are mattes. Okay. Oh, pretty. There they are. Very nice. I like the formulation of them. I think they'll be easy to use, and I think I'll enjoy this. This eyeshadow palette retails for $32. All right, and then next is something in a bottle. I'm glad it's wrapped just in case it spilled, which looks like it did. A little bit of it spilled out. It has a strong smell. What is this? Soleil. It says, let your hair shine protector spray, $35. Oh, this is for your hair. It says, help strengthen and protect the hair from daily use of thermal tools, builds strength and resilience, and improves moisture and shine. Suitable for all hair types and cruelty-free. Okay. So we got a hair product. I guess since some of it spilled out already, I'll try a little bit of it on my hair. It's such a strong smell. It smells like perfume. It feels almost like water, but not wet. It's kind of hard to describe. Not quite silicone-y, but not really watery either, or oily. Interesting. Okay. All right. And the final thing is from Bella Pierre. Our old friend Bella, who's in all these beauty boxes. But this is a lipstick and liner duo. And this retails for $25. It says richly pigmented matte lipstick and coordinating lip liner formulated with nourishing ingredients such as sunflower seed oil and jojoba. Cruelty-free. All right. Let's see what color this is. It looks like it might be a nice color. So let me take a look. Lipstick and lip liner. There's the liner. It's kind of pink. Put it here. There's the lip liner right there. It's almost invisible. Color it in a little bit more. Okay, there's the liner. And here's the lipstick. Okay, they're pink. It's a soft pink, but I would wear it. And this box has a total retail value of $149.95. All right, so for the April Fashionsta, we got the reusable facial cleansing wipes. Reusable and washable. We got the beautiful blue eyeliner pencil from Julep. This interesting beauty baton from Jet Set with facial scrub on one side and facial balm on the other. A nice neutral eyeshadow palette from Clio Noir. Pretty. A hair serum from Soleil. And a matte lipstick and lip liner in nude from Bella Pierre. Okay, now on to the giveaway. I used a comment picker from TubeBuddy to choose the winner of last week's giveaway. So here is a screenshot of the winner. So I just ran the TubeBuddy comment picker and it chose Molly Tennant. So Molly, you are the winner. Contact me so I can send you your prize. Congratulations, Molly. So if I don't hear from Molly by the 29th, I'll have to choose another winner. Again, congratulations, Molly, on winning the giveaway. And thank all of you who entered. I appreciate that very much. This was a lot of fun. I can't wait to do another giveaway. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.